Hi children, good morning. It is another class of exercises of practical life. Every time in exercises of practical life, I bring to you a material which we have at home and we practice with it. Yes or no? After I show it to you here, I ask you to practice it at home. Be it making chapati or pouring activity or funneling activity or spooning activity or any other activity which I have shown you from the exercises of practical life. Folding clothes, folding napkins, so on. All this material is there at home. Today I am going to introduce to you a very new thing for the M1 children. M2 children already know about it, but we have to revisit it. So what is it? They are called the acts of grace and courtesy. Okay? Acts of grace and courtesy. When we are in a community, it is very important that we know few things to say. And I would say that there are 5 magical words. Okay? How many magical words? 5. I'm going to tell you one by one what they are. But what are you going to get if you're going to say those magical words? Those magical words are going to make you happy and everyone around you happy. Okay? Shall I tell you what they are? Okay, let's see the first one. The first one says, thank you. When you want something, you ask somebody something and you get it from them, you have to say thank you. Have you all tried saying a thank you? Yes, there is no thing like to whom you should say, only to your friends, only to your, someone from coming from outside. No, it's not like that. Thank you வந்து நீங்கள் எல்லாருக்குமே சொல்லணும். காலையிலேருந்து உங்களுக்காக யார் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுறாங்க? அம்மா ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுறாங்களா? அப்பா ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுறாங்களா? How many of you say thank you to your mommy and daddy? Do you say thank you? You have to say. When you say thank you, you see how their smile will be. Their face will have an extra smile. Okay? Will you try it and see? You have to see every opportunity, you have to say thank you. If she's giving you a plate of breakfast, you say thank you. If she's going to feed you, you're going to say thank you. If your daddy or mom is going to sit with you to watch the video also, you have to say thank you for helping me watch the video. Will you say thank you? Yes. அதே மாதிரி நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட இருந்து ஏதாவது you want to borrow from them or take from them, you ask them and they give it to you, you have to say thank you. Never ever forget to say thank you. You must also thank God. Okay, for the food that you are eating, for the good clothes that you are wearing, for the good sleep that He is giving. You remember the prayer that we say? Thank you God for the world so sweet. Thank you God for the food we eat. Thank you God for the birds that sing. Thank you God for everything. This is the prayer we say. This is the first thing we start in Little Me Montessori, is it not? We start by saying thank you to God. So saying thank you is the first magical word. Will you remember it? Good. Now let's move on to the second magical word. That is sorry. How many of you say sorry when you make a mistake? Do you say sorry? It's a very, very beautiful word. How many of you know that it is a beautiful word? நிறைய பேருக்கு அது beautiful wordனே தெரியாது. Whenever you hurt someone, அப்பா அம்மா சொல்லும்போது நீங்கள் அடம் பிடிச்சீங்கன்னா, after that will you say a sorry? You see, when you say a sorry, their face will change. They'll become happy. That's why I'm telling it's a magical word. You say sorry, your mommy and daddy will be cool. They'll become very cool and they'll give you what you want. Just try and see. அடம் பிடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறமே நீங்கள் வந்து அப்பா அம்மா முடியாதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு சாரின்னு சொல்லி பாருங்கள். they'll be very happy. You should say that, and you should say that to அது பெரியவங்கன்னு கிடையாது. You should even say it to smaller people also. If it is going to be your younger brother, your baby sister, you have to say sorry. Sorry. Will you say that? It is an easy word and it should come just like that, because you know very well. Now we have made expressions, right? We made happy expression, we made sad expression, we made confused expression. So you know to read people's faces. அப்போ அவங்க சொல்லனால கூட உங்களுக்கு தெரியும், அவங்க ஃபேஸ் பார்த்தாலே you know that, you know, there is something wrong, I said something wrong, I did something wrong, so I must say sorry. It will come to you, உங்களுக்கே தெரியும் that you have to say sorry, and you have to say sorry. You cannot escape without saying sorry. தப்பு பண்ணினீங்கன்னா நீங்கள் கண்டிப்பாக சாரி சொல்லணும். அது எதுக்கு தெரியுமா? Because the person in front of you will become very happy, and when they are happy, you are also happy. சரியா? Please say your sorry. And the next word is please. Okay? When you want to ask someone something, let's say Varun, he wants to ask something from Arnab. Okay? He's asking, Arnab, adu kudu. Or if you say, Arnab, give me the pen. So Arnab will be like, no. ஒரு வேலை கொடுப்பாரு. But if Varun is going to say, Arnab, please give me your pen. நல்லா இருக்கு இல்லையா? Yes. So you have to say the word please. Whenever you want something, you have to say please. Say the word please. Please give me a pen. Please can you move a little bit? கொஞ்சம் தள்ளி உட்காந்துக்கிறீங்களா? Please நம்ம நாளைக்கு பண்ணலாமா? கேட்பீங்க இல்லையா? சம்டைம்ஸ் கை வலிக்குது, ஹோம்ஒர்க் எழுத போகுது, ப்ளீஸ் நான் நாளைக்கு பண்ணட்டா அப்படி கேட்டுப்பார். ஒரு வேளை மம்மி will allow, okay fine, she will say. Okay, but don't try to take advantage of that. Okay, so say please when you want to, you know, you really want it very badly, அப்படி உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப தேவை, and you really want it, so you say please can I have it அப்படின்னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா definitely your teacher, your mommy, your daddy, your neighbor, your friend, whoever it is, they will give it. Some people are very good at saying this please. I know, please, they'll come like that and they'll take it and go off. I will give away. If anyone asks say please to me, particularly little children, I will give it immediately. Okay, so try saying your please. Okay, then next one is excuse me. This I doubt how many of you say excuse me. I've told this to M2 children also. You sometimes remember, then you forget. When do you say excuse me? When you want to interrupt someone, right? யாரையாவது நடுவில் போய் டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணுற மாதிரி வந்ததுன்னா you want to interrupt, you will say excuse me. How do you say that? Like, let me say, like Miss Juno is working with Jessica. Okay, when I'm working with Jessica, Sai wants to come and say something to me. He says that he wants to take that book from up. He's not able to reach it. So Sai will come, Juno miss, adha eduthu kudunga miss. Juno miss, please get me that. Can he ask like that? No. He has to say excuse me Miss Juno, because Miss Juno is busy with Jessica. So Sai will have to wait for Miss Juno to look. சரியா? இப்போ நான் ஜெசிகா இங்கே இருக்காங்க, நான் அவங்ககிட்ட பேசிகிட்டே இருக்கேன், அப்படி பேசிகிட்டு இருக்கும்போது சாய் அங்கேருந்து வராங்க. ஓகே, சாய் ஹேஸ் டு வெயிட் தேர், because எனக்கு தெரியும் somebody is come, somebody is waiting, I can definitely see. So I'll finish my work with Jessica and I look at Sai and I say, yes Sai, what do you want? So I'll tell, excuse me Miss Juno, can you get me the book? சரியா? So எப்போவுமே அப்படி தான், when you want to interrupt, when two people are talking, like say your daddy and mummy are talking, ரெண்டு பேரும் பேசிகிட்டு இருக்காங்க, நடுவில் போய் அப்படி அம்மா 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 அம்மா, no, you cannot interrupt like that. She is your mummy, is your daddy, yes I know that, but you have to say excuse me, and before you say excuse me, wait for them to look at you. அவங்க பார்க்கட்டும் நீங்கள் வந்திருக்கீங்க, நீங்கள் நிற்கிறீங்கன்னு பார்க்கட்டும். And once they look at you, you say excuse me mummy, please வெளியே போகலாமா, போய் விளையாடலாமா அப்படின்னு கேட்கணும். சரியா? Always. If daddy is on a phone, he is talking to somebody on the phone and you badly want something, you cannot go barge in, you have to wait Then daddy will look at you. He'll ask what? Excuse me, daddy, please get me that crayon pencil box. Okay? Excuse me. When you want to interrupt someone when they are in work or when they are talking to talking to someone or through the phone, please wait and say excuse. So, excuse me சொல்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி wait. Wait. Let them look at you. Then say excuse me. Will you all try it from today? This is something new, right? For M1 children. Will you try it? Try it with your brother. Try it with your sister. Try it with your grandma. Anybody. Okay? Okay? You don't have to say that to your cat and dogs. Pets at home. Okay? They are exempted from this. Okay? Last magical word is, that's okay. It's so nice, no? Say that. That's okay. இப்போ let's take up a situation. நான் ஒரு situation சொல்கிறேன். Let's say I'm walking and coming. Okay? தெரியாம I just hit into Nishwant. Okay? I was just walking and hitting Nishwant. தெரியாம அடிச்சிட்டேன். So I say, sorry, I will say. Sorry, Nishwant, I will say. You know what Nishwant would say? That's okay. அப்படின்னா என்ன? பரவாயில்ல. Okay? So you have to let know the other person that you're okay. அது கோமாலாம் இருக்கக்கூடாது. சுட்டியா அப்படின்னு பார்க்கக்கூடாது. How should you be? That's okay. சொல்லிட்டு you just pick up whatever fell or something, you take and go away. Will you say that? That's okay. So when somebody says sorry to you, you say, that's okay. Okay? Now we'll go through one more time. Okay?
Excuse me, Ms. Juno.
Yes.
Can you please give me the marker?
Yes, you see, she said, excuse me. And she said, please, will you give me the marker? I'm going to give her the marker. Which one do you want?
Pink color.
There's your pink marker. Oh, sorry.
That's okay. Thank you.
See that? I said a sorry when I was going to give her, it fell. But she didn't feel offended. What did she say? That's okay. So in fact, what happened when Miss Soundarya came in, she waited and she said, excuse me, Miss Juno. Then I told, what is it, Miss Soundarya? She told, please give me the marker. So I told, okay, which marker do you want? She told the pink one. Then I gave it to her. She said, thank you. But when I was giving it, what happened? The pen fell down. So I said, sorry. And what did she say? That's okay. So all the 5 words, you got it? Say again. Thank you. Say it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Please.
Please.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
That's okay.
That's okay.
So this is your lesson for today, children. The 5 magical words. Okay? Next time I'm going to catch you if you have learnt all those words. When you're going to come and meet me in person, I'm going to ask you if you have learnt your magical words. Are you using it? I'm going to ask your daddy and mummy, நீங்க அதை யூஸ் பண்றீங்களா இல்லையான்ட்டு. Okay? Thank you. Sorry. Please. Excuse me. That's okay. Okay? Okay then. Bye bye children. See you again another video. Until then, stay safe.